everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make an origami popper. If you want to pop it, then you just and then it goes like this. So if you want to make this popper, then take a A4 sheet of paper, any rectangle size big paper, and fold it in half. Yeah, but don't crease it sharply, just press down like that. So it will make a louder noise. And then fold this raw edge to the crease. And just flatten it, but don't crease it, just flatten it like that. You can crease it a little bit. Next, fold this up so this edge aligns with this edge. Next, fold it up on the middle crease. So you can see there's a middle crease right there. Just fold it up on that middle crease. So we have this little strip on the side. Next, turn over and rotate so that the strip is right there. So turn over and fold that there, but just put this little pinch mark right there. Unfold, turn over, and on the pinch mark, fold that in half. Or you can just rub this against the table to make it curl. Then fold that in half. Yeah, but make sure don't fold it in half completely. You can see I didn't fold it all the way to up. I just left a little bit of room there. Next, rotate so that this little strip is on the right side. And then unfold this flap and put this up and then make this fold again. And then just pull on this little flap about right there, and then just adjust that. So, but don't fold it, like don't adjust it past this corner, or otherwise you'll be unable to pop it. So about right there. In order to pop it, you hold this little thing right there and you just swing it right there. Yeah, but if you want to use it again, then fold on this crease, make this fold right there, and then adjust that, and then you can use it again. So then your popper is ready.